Okay, so next to land then we have got is ITA's Airbus A330. No, sorry, we've got Delta's Airbus A330 from Heathrow. Then what we got after that? I don't know where ICA is, but we will be catching that. Yeah, so it's just a minute for review. We'll be here until about 5:40, folks. It will be a short show. Just obviously give it a little test run, and then we'll be back here tomorrow around about 5:30 for full show. So we'll be here until about 5:40, and then yeah, we can go from there. But it will be a short show today, but we will definitely catch some more aircraft tomorrow. So we expect to be live at 5:30ish. Obviously, great to be at Southend. When was at Southend? Was it Friday? We was at Southend, wasn't we? Catching ITA. Yeah. Apart from that, it was all good. It's now come out as the sun's now out, which is good. So it's mid-afternoon here in Massachusetts.
500.
Oh god, right. I don't know if this is going to let us, but let's see if it will switch that off. Just going to see what happens here. Yeah, it's not going to work. Maybe because this is the aircraft that's owned, and it comes with that. Okay, fair enough. Ah, here she comes. Right, I just need to quickly grab this. That wing flex.
300.
So this is the 339 with Delta from Heathrow. I think the Milan one's just landed.
200. 100. 80. 70. 60. 50. 40. 30.
Whoa.
20. 5.
Oof. Bloody hell, what was that? 80, 60, 50, 40, 30, 10, touchdown. That's nice. We flew out there with, we did a Delta 330 200 flight to Boston, folks, if you remember. But there she is. Right, okay, I think it's going to be next. Let me see what we've got. I think it's either JetBlue or United next.